Hello guys. Wala lang. Nagtataka lang talaga ako sa buhay ko. Because I hate that K to 12. Imagine dapat I don't wanna hate how education works, but I really hate the fact na kailangan na sa edad yung mag-start ng kindergarten, or preschool. Diba? Like, ayaw nila ng acceleration unless you are in a private school. Imagine, nung dinagdag yung K to 12, kasi kami parang 3rd or 4th batch kami. Nasa 3rd batch kami. I used to think na, ay, okay tong K to 12 kasi sabi nila, ibabawas to yung subjects or curriculum sa units ng college. Or in fact, hindi naman. Diba? Hindi naman. Excuse my other kilay because di pa yan maayos. Pero anyway, basta yun. And sa kasamaang palad, I was extended 2 years because I have had a medical condition wherein I wasn't able to go to school. I had to file a LOA, leave of absence, and get back to retake the new curriculum subjects and my back subjects na dapat tatlo lang yung back subjects ko. Kasi that time, nung second sem namin, doon na nag-start yung problem ko sa health ko. Anyway, ayun nga. So, technically, I was just thinking na dapat 4 years ago, graduate na ako. Kung walang K to 12. Pero, girl, ngayon I am 2 years behind. And, I'm searching for a job. And yet, I just kept on thinking. Although, I don't have the control para ibalik yung past. Pero, gusto ko lang i-share yung thought ko about K to 12. And, well, K to 12 is one thing na, na feel ko or na-experience ko lang naman nun. Maganda is yung mga naging kaibigan ko nung naging transfer ako sa isang school. And that's the best thing about it. And the quality of education. Whereas, hindi ko siya na-feel masyado. Siguro sa dedication ko din naman and closeness ko sa mga kasama ko, or masaya ako sa mga kasama ko, or basta challenging siya nung nag-transfer ako. Pero yun. Tuwan-tuwa ako, sis. Diba? Ayusin ko na nga. Diba yan? Nakaka-visit naman. Pero yun lang, guys. This product is Bia, by the way. And I love this product so much. Diba? Itong end na to, natawa kasi ako kanina.